Let's clean a kindly, simple way. Want a clean home that's gentle on you, your family, and the earth? Here are 6 cleaning items you should toss right away and what to keep instead. 1. Sponges that smell funky. Toss it. That stink means bacteria. Keep several washable cotton cloths or microfiber cloths handy. Have a special dirty rag bin nearby to toss the dirty rags in. Be sure they are dry before doing so. Then just wash when the bin is full. Change out each cloth daily and replace with a new clean one at day's end. This goes for dish towels too. 2. Store-bought air fresheners. Toss that chemical cocktail. These little products and sprays are beyond toxic. Do something simple. Keep a small mason jar with baking soda plus a few drops of essential oil. Or, I have a wonderful homemade air freshener recipe in the description, and I also pinned it to the comments. I have used it for years. It is not only cheaper, but it won't harm you like the commercial products. Just fresh and non-toxic. 3. Plastic shower liners with mildew. Toss it if it's stained and slimy. Keep a washable shower curtain liner on the inside of the shower and keep it fresh by spraying it with a vinegar spray. If you clean your bathroom weekly, toss the shower curtain in with the towels in the wash. You will keep mildew from ever forming. Another little secret is to keep a bottle of hydrogen peroxide in a plastic spray bottle in the shower. When you are done with your shower, just spray down the inside of the shower and the shower curtain. There is no scrubbing needed. Just spray and walk away. Come back in a couple of hours and see how clean your shower is. Mildew will never be a problem using this simple trick. 4. Single-use cleaning wipes. Toss them. They're wasteful and pricey, and some are very toxic. Keep cut-up old t-shirts or cut-up cotton square fabric towels. Then add homemade cleaner, water, vinegar, and even a few drops of lemon essential oil. Or if you want to keep it on the pretty side, purchase colorful microfiber small towels. Fold and stack your microfiber towels in the jar. Fill a jar with your favorite cleaner and use as needed. Keep them handy in each room where you will need them. In the kitchen, bathroom, etc. Then just wash and reuse. 5. Harsh chemical sprays. Toss if it has warnings that you feel are scary, or you can't pronounce the words. You just might want to skip it. Labels that read like causes skin and eye irritation. Harmful if swallowed. Avoid contact with eyes, skin, and clothing. Do not ingest. Use in a well-ventilated area. Keep out of reach of children and pets. First aid. If in eyes, rinse cautiously with water for several minutes. Continue rinsing. If on the skin, wash with plenty of soap and water. If swallowed, do not induce vomiting. Rinse mouth. Call a poison control center or doctor immediately. If inhaled, move to fresh air. If breathing is difficult, get medical attention. So let's keep it safe. Keep a DIY mix of white vinegar, water, and Castile soap. Safe, simple, and it works. 6. Broken or worn-out broom or mop heads. If it's shedding, cracked, or peeling, it's time to go. Keep reusable mop rags that you can attach easily to a mop head. When done, just wash and reuse. Then, once a week, thoroughly clean with a steam cleaner mop with reusable pads. It's all about simple swaps. Toss the junk, toss the chemicals, keep what works. And clean the kindly, simple way. Be sure to give a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing from Kindly Simple. Just keeping life simple. See you in the next video.